So the water has been boiling for 5 minutes, and I'm about getting ready to pour it in. But I just wanted to take a second to like actually admire that it looks like real chunks of chicken. Like, you know, you get some of these other meals and they just look like stupid, small little shriveled up pieces. These actually look like they're decent chunks. So let me grab a glove here. We'll just add some water. Ooh, that's warm. That's real warm. Yeah. Oh look, still got a little bit of rose hip in it and some other stuff. Well, whatever. It's been boiling for a while. All right, so not 100% sure how I feel about these handles on this thing. Seems like they're. I mean, I like everything else. This part just seems to be. I don't know, man. The handles just seem to be kind of not real. They don't stand up real well. I mean, the coating that's on them appears to be really good, but they're just every time they get, it's like they're super sketchy, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. We'll add a little bit more water. There we go. All right. It says to seal for 8 minutes, and then take it out, stir it again, and then reseal for another 7 minutes. So eight minutes, stir, open back up after 8 minutes, stir again, and then 7 minutes. It's not very much for coffee. You know what? Luckily, all those floaters stayed in there, so I'll just get rid of this. Go grab some more. That should do. Really? Another floater? There we go. And then we'll just set this right back on. And it's been boiling in no time flat, so that's kind of nice. Yeah, see? It's like they're not real sturdy, especially when they get warm. So I'm going to give this a few minutes, and then I'll check back in with you after I've stirred it the second time, and then let it sit, and we'll take a look at it together.